Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of advanced materials to talk about something truly incredible, Kevlar. It's a name we associate with super strength and protection, from bulletproof vests to reinforced tires. A common question that pops up in curious minds is whether this amazing material can be synthesized at home. The short and most important answer is no, it absolutely cannot, and attempting it would be extremely dangerous. The process is a complex feat of industrial chemistry that requires specialized equipment, hazardous materials, and controlled conditions that are impossible to replicate in a home environment. The synthesis of Kevlar, or more accurately polyparaphenylene terephthalamide, involves a process called condensation polymerization. This requires two primary chemicals, one for phenylene diamine and terephthalol chloride. These aren't ingredients you can buy at a local store, they are highly reactive and dangerous industrial chemicals. Handling them without proper laboratory-grade protective gear, including full-face respirators and specialized fume hoods, could lead to severe chemical burns, respiratory damage, or worse. The reaction itself must be carried out in a specific chemical solvent, often a mixture of N-methylpyrrolidone and calcium chloride, to keep the rigid polymer chains from precipitating out of the solution too early. The temperature and concentration must be controlled with extreme precision. Even if you could somehow manage this reaction, the resulting product is a thick, gel-like polymer solution. This is not Kevlar fiber. To create the actual fibers, the solution must be forced, or spun, through tiny holes of a device called a spinneret directly into a chemical coagulation bath, which solidifies it into fine filaments. These filaments are then washed, dried, and stretched at very high temperatures to align the polymer molecules, which is what gives Kevlar its legendary strength. This entire spinning and drawing process requires millions of dollars in industrial machinery. Attempting any part of this at home would, at best, result in a useless and toxic chemical sludge, and at worst, could cause a fire, an explosion, or severe personal injury from the corrosive and toxic chemicals involved. So, while the idea of a DIY super material is exciting, Kevlar synthesis is a perfect example of a process that should be left to the experts in a highly controlled industrial setting. Thanks so much for watching and for taking the time to understand the science and safety behind this incredible material. If you found this explanation helpful and appreciate our commitment to safe and accurate information, please consider liking the video and supporting the channel so we can continue making content like this. Stay safe and stay curious.